So for a karmi, or one who is engaged in the karma process, the mode of passion is very important. For a jnani, the mode of goodness is very important. Now in the mode of passion, there is going to be discrimination, because passion discriminates. I like, I don't like. Therefore, rules and regulations are meant mainly for the people who follow the karma process. Atonement, prayashchitta, they are offered these processes so that they can evolve. A jnani is in the mode of goodness. In the mode of goodness, the distraction that one undergoes is different from the distraction that a karmi undergoes. A karmi undergoes distraction because of the mode of passion. Now in the mode of goodness, what is the challenge? In the mode of goodness, the challenge is that one can procrastinate. One gets used to being always no sins, constant happiness. Now when you procrastinate, when you become a little lax in a renunciation, what happens? The senses are active still. So now because there is no renunciation, the senses start enjoying. And that is the accident for the jnani.